Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is strings in Python. Anything enclosed in double inverted commas or a single inverted commas is known as string. For example, fruits equals to mango, apple. Here mango and apple are enclosed in single inverted comma is an example of string. Here in this example, good morning is a string. It does not affect the output whether you enclose it in either single inverted comma or a double inverted comma. We can insert double quotes and single quotes inside a string by using backslash character. If a command is long, then it can be shifted to the next line by typing backslash, but it shows the result in the same line. If we wish to display the output on the next line, then use of escape sequence /n becomes mandatory. In this example, after escape sequence /n, the output is displayed in the next line. Escape sequence is used to give more than actual blank space between two words. If you want to print the output as it is written in a number of lines, then you must use triple inverted commas. In this example, 3 lines are used to write the coding, and in the output also 3 lines are displayed because we have used the triple inverted commas in both the examples. Consider a string a equals to Python. Each character in a string has an index value starting at 0 and must be an integer. We cannot use float or other types for index, otherwise it will result in type error. Index from left to right is positive index, which starts from 0. Index from right to left is negative index, which starts from -1. In this example, P character has index 0, N character has index -1. Next string hello world, that space between two characters is also given a index. In this example, variable 1 is a variable storing string hello world. Print function will print h as a output because 0 index character is h. Fourth index character is o, so it will print o as a output. In the next print function, -8 is written as an index number. It is a negative index and we will calculate the character from right to left. So 8th character from right side is L after including the blank space also. The next index is -6. It is also we checked from right to left, and -6 character from right side is a space, so nothing is shown in the output. Fifth character from the right side is W is printed as the output. String slicing. Slicing is used to retrieve a subset of values. Alphabet underscore string is a variable in which stores the string A to Z alphabets. Second statement is going to extract a slide out of a string A to Z alphabet characters from the position 6th and points to 14th position instead of a 15th position. That index start from 0, continues increasing till the last character of the string. Here statement 3 and statement 4 will give the output as shown in the figure. Position 15 character, that is P, is not included in the output. In this example, step value is taken as 2. Output will be extracted from 6th position to 14th position with a gap of 1 alphabet in each. Output will be GIKMO. Consider the given figure here. Example 1. Print statement prints the substring starting from index 1 and ending before index 3. So it will print AB as output. Example 2. Omitting the second index directs the Python interpreter to extract the substring till the end of the string starting from 7th position. So here the output will be NEY. Example 3. Omitting the first index directs the Python interpreter to extract the substring till the second index starting from the beginning, that is index 0. Omitting both the indices direct the Python interpreter to extract the entire string starting from 0 till the last index. In example 5, for negative indices, the Python interpreter counts from the right side as shown in the figure. Here start index is -2, but the end index is not given, so it will start printing from index -2 and will print all the characters till end, that is till index -1. In example 6, Omitting the first index directs the Python interpreter to start extracting the substring from the beginning. Since the negative index indicates the slicing from the end of the string, the entire string except the last two letters is printed. In example 7, it will print alternative character from the string. First index is equals to last index, then it will not print anything in output and it will be an empty string. Strings are immutable. It means that the content of the string cannot be changed after it is created. For example, str1 has the value student. An attempt to replace D in the string by P displays a type error. Replicating the string. Asterisk operator creates a new string by repeating multiple copies of the same string. For example, 3 asterisk hello will print 3 times hello. Similarly, 2 asterisk 2 will print 2 times 2. Concatenating string. Concatenation refers to creating a new string by adding two strings. The plus operator joins string written on both sides and produces a new string. For example, here str1 stores value hello, str2 stores word, and str3 concatenate it with a plus operator and prints hello world without blank space. Thanks for watching it. Like and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos.